In this video, we'll see about quick steps. Quick steps are easy navigation, doing your task in a better manner. Let us see that. Now, if you see on the home tab, I have some quick steps. It says forward to your manager, reply and delete. It says team email, and there's a create new. So these are just one click buttons which will do task for you. Now, for example, I have received an email. This is the email which I've received. Okay, I'll just show you the email. Yeah, that's the email which I've received, and if I want to forward it to manager, I can just click on this place. For the first time, I have to do a setting. From then onwards, I don't have to do any settings part here. So if I click on this to manager, okay, and the name is given to manager, you can just rename it. So I can just remove this. I can type here as 2 Pawan, and I have to type here an email ID. So I can just click on this 2 part, and I can select the email ID whichever I have. So I'll select the first email, click on OK. Click on 2 and then click on OK. So this is the email ID which is added, and the name is given as 2 Pawan. So what will happen is, I can just show here. I'll click on save. So whenever I click on the email, and if I click on this 2 Pawan, so email box will open. If I click on this 2 Pawan, email box will open where the name of the person whom I'm sending will be given. It can be your manager name, it can be your colleague's name, anything, and it will ask you to type some text. Okay, so this is the method you can forward an email just by one click. So I'll just click on this close button. Similarly, there are some other quick steps. Which are the quick steps? That is reply and delete. So if you select this option, reply and delete, this will reply to the person who has sent you, okay, and it will delete from your outbox, or you can say as delete from your sent items. It will not be available in your sent items. So I'll just click on close. Similarly, I have some team email. If you want to forward this email to your entire team, you can just do that. For the first time, you have to do a setting. So I'll just click on this team email, okay, and the name of the team I can give as QA team, and then I can select the names of people. I'll just click on this 2 option, click on this place, and I'll see as Tutorialspoint team. So I'll select all the three names here. So I'll press control click, click on this 2 option. Okay, so I'm just doing a configuration setting part here. Added 3 emails, click on OK, and I'll click on OK. So what will happen is, whenever if I want to send an email to my entire team, so I'll just select the email, and then I can use this option as QA team. Okay, so I'll just click on this place, and if you see, all the 3 names are added at one place, and it's easy for me to send them. This was just 3 names. Imagine if there are 100 names, it will be very, very easy for you. I'll just click on this close button because I don't want to send an email to them. Similarly, if I want to do all this task in one go, suppose if I want to forward, if I want to reply, or if I want to send a QA team, or so many things, I can configure my own settings. So for that, I have to select this option as create new. So I'll just click on this create new. Okay, I'll just click on close. This email which is there, suppose this is the email which I have where the word is given as meeting, anything. So I want this email to go to this particular place, that is meeting folder. Second thing is I should reply to him that I'll be available. Third thing is I'll send it to my team that you have to be ready, or you have to be prepared for the team itself or the meeting itself. So this all task I can do it. And finally, I can just flag it. So 4 things. One is move to the folder. Second is reply to the person. Third is forward to my team. And the 4th one is flag it. Okay, so that this is a reminder for me. So let us start that. I'll just click on this create new, and this will be given as multitask. So the first one is I want to send it to the meeting folder. So it says choose an item. So I want to move that email. So I'll just click on move, and I have to select the folder. There's available as meeting.training.tutorialspoint@gmail.com. If not, you can select for other folders. Selected that. Next is I want to reply to that email. So I'll just click on this add action. Click on this drop down, and I'll search for reply. So you can see there's a reply option which is given here. And if you see there's show options button which is here, do not do anything with this, just keep it as it is. And if you want, you can add here show options, and you can write a text as a response. I will be available for meeting. Okay, I'll be available for meeting, and I can say as hide options. So first one is move to folder, second one is reply, third one is forward to my entire team. So I'll click on add action, select this option, and I can see the option as forward, and I'll write here to, In this place, I'll select my Tutorialspoint team and I'll add all these members in the team itself. So I'll select from here my Tutorialspoint team and select 1, 2, 3, all these 3 members, click on 2, click on OK. So this is how, and I'll just click on this show option that kindly be available for the meeting, that's it. And I'll just click on this options, that is hide options. Okay. And after that, so after doing these 3 things, 4th thing is I want to put a reminder by using a flag. So I'll just click on this add action and I'll select a flag message which is given here. So you can keep on adding different types of conditions here, different types of conditions. So 4 conditions are added. So I'll just click on finish. My work is done. I'll just click on finish. Now see, the first thing what I'll do is, if I select this email, if I click on this multitask, and I'll show you now, if I open this meeting folder, it is totally empty. So I'll just go to this inbox 27, select this email, and I'll click on this multitask, or I can select this meeting. Where's the email? Yeah, that's a meeting which is given here, multitask. So first thing, it went into that inbox. Second thing is, if you see, it is sending to the team. That's my entire team. Kindly be available for the meeting. I have to just click on this send button. So I'll just click on this close. Second is, I wanted to reply to that particular person. I'll be available for the meeting, and the person who has sent the email will go to that person itself. So I'll just click on this close. If you want, you can click on the send also. Next is, if you observe here, this email which are selected, there is a flag message which will be given here. Okay, the message is not here, actually it is in this particular folder, that is in the meeting folder. And if you see, that's the email which is given here, and definitely it is flagged itself. So all the 4 tasks can be done by this quick actions. I'm just giving an example. There can be multiple tasks which can be performed with this quick actions. Now at any point of time, if you think you do not want this quick actions, you want to delete or something, you can just go to this manage quick actions. You can select the quick actions which you don't want. You can choose the option as edit, duplicate, delete, any one of them, and it will work fine. I'll just click on OK, and I'll just click on this inbox itself. So I hope you understood very useful concept, that is quick steps which will do your tasks very easily. That's all for this video.